Well, hello, I'm joined by Katie Sampaio. Katie is a woman of many talents. She's a fitness guru. She is, I want to say life coach, but not so much. She's a fitness guru, nutrition expert, and she's a published author. Katie is here today to talk to us about nutrition labels and the proper way to read those. So I kind of feel like you're crushing my breakfast dreams over here, Katie. You have Honey Nut Cheerios over here, and tell me about the Honey Nut Cheerios.
So a lot of people think that Cheerios and Honey Nut Cheerios and stuff are like really good for you.
I mean, there is a bumblebee on the front of the box, and bees are good.
Deceptive marketing, and that's why you want to read the nutrition label if you want to actually eat healthy. So what you're looking for, the first thing I zoom in on is the ingredient list. Do not neglect that. And why this is not good, the second ingredient is sugar. The second ingredient is sugar, and it's also a really long list of ingredients.
Okay.
So usually when there's a really long list, that's a red flag for me. And then the closer the ingredients are to the front, that means there's more of that ingredient in it. So that means this is mainly made of sugar. Even though you think it's healthy, that's automatically, I'm going to put this down. It also has cornstarch in it, which is what you want to avoid, then honey, and then brown sugar, and then syrup are also the next 4 ingredients listed, all other different types of sugar.
I feel like those are the 4 major food groups. Am I wrong or no? Okay, all right.
Not in the healthy world.
Okay.
So that's why we're not going to eat the Honey Nut Cheerios. So when you go to get soup, usually people that are trying to eat healthy go to the store and buy soup. And when you look on that nutrition label, you're going to, again, want to read the ingredients. This is a really long ingredient list.
It's really tiny too.
It's really tiny. So sugar is actually the 4th ingredient. Another no-go.
Okay.
But for soups, you want to really look at the sodium. So the sodium in this is 770 milligrams, which is a ton. And that's only in 1 serving out of 2.5.
Okay.
So that's why you're gonna not really want to buy canned soup that much. If you do, you're gonna want to look for something that's organic. And I'm gonna look at the back of this. This isn't too much better, but it's around $5.80 instead for 2 servings. So it's a healthier option. The ingredient label all says organic. There's nothing weird in here that I can't pronounce. You're also gonna want to zoom in on the type of fat that you're eating. So especially for a nut butter, you're gonna want to make sure that it's mainly in the unsaturated fats, and that's gonna be a good flag that you're eating the right kind of fats that are actually healthy for you, like monounsaturated fat and polyunsaturated fats.
So the takeaways here are that we're going to want to really zone in on the ingredient labels and the ingredients. The first, I would say 1 to 5 ingredients are the ones that it contains the most of. So if it's sugar, not good. So Katie, how do people find out more about you and all of your healthy tips?
So you can go to katiesampaio.com. I have a free snack guide on there where you can get 20 recipes that you can make in 5 minutes or less that are all very healthy. And then I have my #1 best-selling book, Eat to Thrive, the Anti-Diet Cookbook, that you can also find on Amazon, where I have all this stuff as well.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Thanks.